Hello. Hello everyone. Good evening. So now I'm here to share my knowledge about the right posture while we writing something. So for that, I am Jenalyn Barris from Bisid English 3. So first, of course, I remember na itinuro sa amin ni Doc H is first, shake your hands, massage it, straight, stretch before you write something. And the right posture, ganito, uupo ka, of course, like that. Upo ka lang ganyan. Then, um, syempre, meron akong papel dito and I have a ball pen. So, the right posture when you write something is um, right angle theory and 90 degrees. So, like this. Yan. Dapat right angle theory. And, of course, 90 degrees. Okay? Then, huwag nyong igaganon yung papel nyo. Huwag gaganon. Kasi maapektuhan yung resulta ng itsura ng iyong handwriting. So, dapat ganyan lang. Then, ganon. Right angle theory. Then, susulat ka. Yan. Then, wag kang magsusulat na nakaganyan kasi may tendency na maging, ano tawag doon, bukot. 'Di ba? And then, also, kapag, 'di ba nakaupo ka, yung paa mo, panatilihin mong nakadikit. Nakadikit sila na ganyan. Huwag mong hayaan na humiwalay ng ganyan. Mas maganda kung nakaganyan. Komportable. Tapos, okay lang na medyo humiwalay onti. Huwag lang sobrang hiwalay. Ganyan siya. Tapos, ayan, ganyan. Tapos, ganyan. Yan. Right angle theory. Then, dapat yung papel, diretso lang. Tapos, ayan. Yan. Ganun lang. So, that's all guys. Rules. Yun yung mga rules na aking natutunan sa pagsusulat. Thank you, Doc H, sa binigay mong knowledge about what is the uh, right posture kapag magsusulat ka. Thank you. That's all. Bye.